If you've ever created a website draft in GoDaddy that you no longer need, this video is going to walk you through exactly how to delete it step by step. Whether it's an old draft, an auto-saved version, or just a backup you want to clear out, I'll show you the fastest way to find it and remove it safely. If this tutorial helps, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple website and tech guides. Alright, let's jump in. First, log into your GoDaddy account and go to your products page. This is where all of your GoDaddy services are listed, so once you're inside, look for the section called Websites and Marketing. Under that area, find the correct website you want to work on, because if you manage more than one site, it's important to choose the right one. When you found it, click Manage. This will take you into the controls for that specific website. Next, click Edit Website to open the Visual Site Builder. This is where GoDaddy lets you make changes to your site layout, pages, content, and saved versions. Once the builder opens, look for the top navigation panel and click Settings. From there, select Site History. Site History is where GoDaddy stores previous versions, drafts, and autosave changes, so this is the key area you need in order to delete an unwanted draft. Now scroll through the history list carefully until you find the draft or autosave version you want to remove. Take your time here, because if you have a lot of saved versions, you want to make sure you select the right timestamp before deleting anything. Once you've identified the exact draft, click the three vertical dots, also called the More Options menu, right next to that timestamp. A small menu should appear with actions you can take on that specific version. Click Delete. GoDaddy will then ask you to confirm your decision in a pop-up prompt. This is your final chance to make sure you're deleting the correct draft, because once you confirm, that version will be permanently wiped from your record. If you're sure, go ahead and confirm the deletion. And that's it. Your unwanted website draft in GoDaddy has now been removed. It's a quick process once you know where to look, and it can help keep your site history cleaner and easier to manage. If this video was useful, please like the video and subscribe so you don't miss the next simple GoDaddy tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.